Hi, my name's Daniel and I'm a Technical Adoption Specialist at Data3 and I'm here to share some top tips for your Surface Hub. Real-time co-authoring through M365. This is where the Hub really shines. By signing into the Surface Hub, we unlock the power of OneDrive and we can now collaborate through M365. This means we can co-author documents in real time with our remote colleagues while we talk about those changes on Teams. The Hub allows us to talk to our colleagues about documents, mark up potential changes in the whiteboard, and then actually make those changes together, all in real time. By doing this, we open up 3 separate channels of collaboration in one space, unlocking the power of the Surface Hub. So I hope you've enjoyed those tips and tricks. If you've got any questions or want to know how we can help you get the most out of your Surface Hub, visit us today at data3.com/partners/Microsoft.